High school students from around Alabama visited Troy University to get hands-on experience on what a career in journalism entails.
J-Day is an opportunity for high school students to come to our campus and be involved in dozens of workshops ranging from podcasting to print design to broadcast television. And it's a good way for students who might be interested in journalism and who are working with their student media groups at their high schools to come in, be able to absorb some information, take it back home to their schools, and then ultimately, hopefully, come join us when they're ready for their college experience.
Dr. Taylor says J-Day can set high school students up with future endeavors in their journalism careers.
They can graduate not only with a degree, but with a job. We had about 100% placement with our broadcast students last year, which is wonderful. They're working in markets all over the country, and I think that high school students seeing that success can be motivation for lots of different things. Whether or not they decide to go into journalism or not, a Troy degree can get you where you want to go.
A high school student says that J-Day is important for future students to get a better understanding of having a career in journalism.
It gives students a look at what they want to do at college, and it helps them better understand the field they're going into, and I think that's very important for people who do want to go to college for this type of thing.
This has been Nick Wright, Troy, TrojanVision News.